So we've got our bags and we're following the exit for ground transportation, which should take us to the train. And then we will see how we get on from there. So we have worked out we're in Terminal 2 and we have to go down by the looks of it. So you can see there it's got things saying train station to Paris just there on the sign. So we're following the signs. And we thought it was taking us down, but it's actually taking us like, it's almost like at Manchester Airport where you go across those sky bridges. So it's basically going over a sky bridge. Maybe it works when you go on it. Sometimes they work when you go on them, don't they? Oh no, damn, never mind. So, oh, hotels are this way as well. So it is a bit like Manchester then as well. So we're going across the sky bridge. Okay, so we came across the sky bridge and it's here, Gare train station. So it is down. We were right then at some point. It's signposted there as well. So we're going down and you can also see it in front there as well. There's a signpost for it there as well. Okay, here we are. So you've got the main line services and then, oh, so that must be going one way and then that way to Paris. So you can see there, they've got like Paris 2024 ready for the Olympics. So they've got all different kind of stations here. And then it looks like it's telling you over here where they go. So you've got the departures on this side and you've got the arrivals on this side here. You can see they're going out on that one there. So it tells you all the different platforms. So we're just trying to work out how to get our tickets now. And we are about to get on here. So we got to the wrong one. We went to the Sud instead of the Nord. So we just went to the wrong one. But now we're here. So we have to come down here. It's a double train by the looks of it. And we're about to get on. Sorry, it was about to go, so we better run to get on. Oh, I'm in. So there's a toilet here. Looks like there's an upstairs and a downstairs here. Okay, and here we are. We've just got off the train. So how much was it, Anne, again? So it was £54 for the three of us, but it was still a lot cheaper than what a taxi would have been. A taxi was... Yeah, that was first class, because first class was like £2 extra. So we were kind of up there in that little area. First class was up there. But it was really nice, wasn't it? It was only quick, but it was nice. Like a taxi would have been way more. And actually, I could see out the Space Mountain. I think I could see out the window when we pulled up. So I'm expecting we're going to be able to see it over there in a minute. I'm not sure. Oh, so it's Disney Express. That way it says. Disney Exit. So we'll see in a minute when we get outside what it looks like. And we're here, our first look at it. Matilda's literally not been here for 4 years. Sorry, 7 years. Saying 4 years because I'm thinking she's not been since she was 4. But that's 7 years ago. Yeah. I don't remember this bit because we never came this way. So we never go past this spot, do we? Because what's behind us there? Yeah, but we never really... Oh no, so we would go that way then if that's the village. No, we need to go past the village to get to the... Yeah, see Terra. Look at that, wow. No, that's what I'm saying, the village is this way, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the size of the
Where are you going?
village.
Oh, parking for the things that way. Yeah. Look at this.